So here's just a quick update on some of the trades that I called out in my Discord group this week. Basically, our first trade over here, right after news in NY, basically we have this uptrend over here. And price came back, tapped our support, and then went up. And then we just got in on this gold buy over here. And I didn't trail stop, I just let it hit my TP, and that was around 48 pips. And then going forward, we have another one over here. Basically, we saw a change of character over here, came back to our order block, and then it rejected, and then we got in on the sell over here, and that was around 41 pips. And if you're in my Discord group, you would have drawn out your zones as well. I also provide these charts for buy zones, sell zones, so that it will give you an idea on how to monitor your charts as well. Over here, we had news come out, took liquidity, pushed up, and then price came down. Once it broke structure, we got in on a sell over here. And that was around 38, 37 pips. So that is it for this week. We do have one more day of trading. Let's see what we can catch. So far this month, we're at 24 wins, 4 losses, and 3 break-evens at around 86%. And if you're just getting started, want to get your foot wet in Forex, or if you're looking for more funding, you can check out FundedNext. They have their promo going on right now for the next 48 hours. So you get 100% lifetime payouts. And if you pass your challenge, you get 150% refund. And you'll also get 15% profit share from your challenge phase. So FundedNext, there's a link in my description below, and you just have to enter holiday for the coupon code to apply this promo. All right, so this is just a quick update on the trades, and I'll talk to you on the next one.